Alright, Trevor, handyman back again today. You wouldn't believe the power that this little ceiling fan puts out. Follow along, I'm going to show you how to install it. We'll give it a review. Let's go.
Alright, what's in the box here? We got the Sunlink Coast ceiling fan. Comes with the remote, all the hardware. Here's the fan. That's all you need. First step is getting this bracket off. That's going to go up onto your box on the ceiling. Couple screws. Make sure you got it where you want it. Tighten it down.
I think this is one of the best improvements they've done for ceiling fans. Just this little safety hook. I remember back in the day, you had to sit here and hold the ceiling fan up. Arms shaking. It's just great. Something little like that, it's a game changer. Now this is pretty straightforward. You got your black, your power, white, neutral, green, ground, and I don't have my wire strippers. Oh, I do. Easy, guys.
These automatic wire strippers hit or miss.
What I was saying about the safety chain makes it easier. Probably if I would have just stepped up and done it at the right height. There she goes. Boom. Now, we just align with all these screws up here. Push this guy out of the way. Rotate. Well, that was a simple part. Tighten the screws. Solid. Now let's turn it on. Ooh, shiny.
And as with everything now, it does have an app. It's very simple, easy to use. It's just adding value after value. As you can see, it comes with all your K values. Brightness, dimming, a night light, 6 fan speeds. I try to record the fan noise, but it's not exactly an easy thing to do. But it is very quiet.
Putting out some power here. Not too noisy.
Throw it in your cart. You won't be disappointed. Job done.